Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear door speaker on a BMW E65 E66, the one right here we're talking about. Pretty simple procedure, but you have to remove the door panel. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe. Now with a small screwdriver you need to pop those caps open. Okay, you can see one right there, one in the front and one under the door handle, which is located right there. As you can see, hold them because they tend to fly if you're not careful. Okay, like that. And now we'll be using a T2, so this is a T30, and there is one screw here, one there, and as you can see, one on top. But on top it's a smaller screw, so the ones down the one here in this one and this one is with a T30. Okay, right there. You might not be able to pull it out easy. You can use small pliers or magnetic tool to pull it out if you need to. Okay. Okay, and you need to remove this one as well. And now this one on top is actually with a T25. Okay, go ahead and remove it. As you can see, that's what it looks like. This one is easy to get out compared to the other two. Okay, this is the screw, and that's what it looks like, and that's how long it is. Oh guys, now right here with a small screwdriver you can pry that cap open, and to pull it out, it comes in an angle like that. Okay, and actually the cable will be there for the locking right there, and what you need to do, you need to release it right here, and the inside door handle comes off. Okay, and now you can go ahead and you can grab it and pull it with a prying tool. We'll show you where all the clips are once we remove it, guys. Okay, so you know where to apply pressure, and there is a few clips on the top as well, so you need to pull these ones too. Okay, let us show you now where all the clips are on the bottom. Okay, facing the other way. Okay, it's, as you can see, 3 right there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 there, so it'll be 10. Okay guys, once you remove the door panel now with a T25, there is 3 screws that you need to remove right there. Okay, like that. And this is the speaker, guys, right here. As you can see, pretty simple. Now you need to release the wire right here in order to remove it now. And what you need to do, you need to pull it right there. Okay, like that. And this is the speaker, guys. Original, pretty good quality. This is the part number if you need it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give us a like if the video was helpful, and subscribe to. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.